We dreamt of a community built in the clouds. A place where you can look back at the roads you took and the rivers you crossed, to finally find home. The air here is different, so is the water and the earth. This is a place where you can feel the serenity of nature's embrace and witness the sky paint pictures of 1,000 hues. Every moment here is extraordinary. Montana Estates is a visionary new address, redefining sustainable luxury living in India. This extraordinary community was the result of a long search to discover the perfect location for the homes of tomorrow. Inspired by the mountain, Montana pays homage to nature through embracing the beauty and sanctity of its verdant surroundings. Being at a prime location within Kozhikode city, this one-of-a-kind project merges the convenience of city living with the space and tranquility of the mountain. Montana Estates sits within a landscape of thriving biodiversity. Developed in over 100 acres of lush greenery at one of the highest points in Kozhikode city, this low-density community is a world in its own. Just a short drive away from the bustle of the city, a winding road up a laterite mountain immediately transports you to another climate and environment. There is a subtle sense of escape that cocoons this spot, making the outside world seem to disappear as nature takes over. Sustainably designed along the unique topography of the mountains, Cloudberry at Montana Estates is a collection of elements that merge the space and privacy of a villa with the comfort and security of an apartment. The spacious 2, 3, and 4-bedroom units of this unique project are fully automated, featuring lavish common spaces, high-tech security systems, and premium fixtures. Nestled within the verdant mountain terrain, the villaments have been carefully crafted to maximize the unparalleled views of the valley below without compromising on the privacy of the individual homes. You can savor the tranquility of mountain living with all the conveniences of an in-town address. Consummately private, the premium plots at Montana Estates redefine luxury living in nature. Each unique parcel of land is a blank canvas where you can custom design your home. The private residences at Montana Estates provide resort-style relaxation where sweeping views of the verdant valley meet the majesty of the mountains. With vast green spaces between the residences, you can come home to a private oasis with all the amenities of a modern luxury development. Montana Estates is conveniently located within the growing city of Kozhikode. The city's best hospitals, educational institutions, eateries and malls are well within reach of this perfect growing city. The development is also well connected to all of Kozhikode city's prominent transport links, enjoying access to an international airport, a major railway station and a well-maintained network of roadways. Wherever your journeys may take you, coming back home has never been this easy.